With 92 schools in Davis School District and a limited number of financial resources, it takes careful planning to anticipate construction needs in DSD buildings. When students enter their school's doors, hang out in its hallways, and learn inside classrooms every day, they cause the normal wear and tear you'd expect with the district's enrollment of 72,000 students. As years pass, it's natural that buildings, equipment, and technology need to be repaired, replaced, and updated. The district uses a special triage system to determine which buildings are in most urgent need of repair. Bond projects can address a building's systems, such as air conditioning, HVAC and plumbing, or its physical structures, such as windows, restrooms, kitchens, and gyms. Bond money must be used for school construction and improvement. Legally, it cannot be used for operational expenses, salaries, or anything else. A complete list of projects and the financial breakdowns can be found on our website, dsdbond.org.